Hi, this is Ed Sullivan and Mark Oberti. Mark and I are both board certified lawyers in labor and employment law. Mark does a lot of work with respect to non competition agreements in the state of Texas. And Mark, I guess this is at some level, a self serving question, but one that's important. How can an attorney, if at all, help an employee as they are navigating through the non compete process and whether or not it's enforceable or not?
Yeah, going to a good lawyer that understands this area of law before you actually make the decision to resign and join the other company, or before you actually pull the trigger on that, it can pay huge dividends. I kind of analogize it to an inoculation or a shot to protect against otherwise very deadly or disease you wouldn't want to catch, namely getting sued in court and hauled into court for a couple of years. And what we can do as a good lawyer is we can give you the lay of the land on what the kind of the road, the rules of the road are for your non-compete, and most importantly, help you on your exit strategy to do it in the best possible way and avoid the common pitfalls and pratfalls and mistakes that we see out there, such as taking information with you that you shouldn't take and the employer finds out and now you're in trouble, such as not being honest and truthful about what you're going to do as you leave, and then the company finds out you weren't honest and truthful and now they're coming at you for that. So what we generally put together is a written plan that's kind of a guideline of, this is how I'm going to resign. I'm going to offer 2 weeks notice and more if necessary. I'm going to be cooperative and helpful. I'm going to return everything. I'm going to be transparent about where I'm going and what I'm going to do. And when you're able to do all those things and you put it all together and you execute it properly, a lot of times you can avoid litigation altogether. And even the times you don't avoid litigation, you put yourself in such a much better position, be able to defend it and put yourself on the moral and legal high ground than if you hadn't done those things. So those are the sorts of the powerful impact that a good lawyer can help you with if you go to one before you go down this road of leaving the company and going to work for a competitor.